Today we can study chapter 3 exercise 3.2 question number 4. Question number 4 is if a matrix given, that is 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1, B also given, C also given, three matrices given in here. First question is we have to compute A plus B. We have to find out A plus B. Then first we can do A plus B. A plus B equal to matrix A. A already given in question, that is 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 and 1 minus 1 1 plus B, second matrix, that is 3 minus 1 2 4 then 5 2 0 3. We can add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Directly we can add 1 plus 3. Corresponding elements we can add. Then 2 plus minus 1. That means 2 minus 1. 1. Then minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Then 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 plus 0. Minus 1 plus 0 is same minus 1. Then 1 plus 3, 4. That is A plus B. Then second part is B minus C. B minus C. First you have to write B. B means 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3 minus C. C is matrix 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3 equal to 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Then minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 4 minus 0, 4. Then 2 minus 3, minus 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Just subtract corresponding elements. Same. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus minus 2. Minus minus will get plus, isn't it? That means 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. This is our B minus C. We got A plus B and B minus C. Then second part of this question is also verify that A plus B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. We have to verify that. Then in here B minus C. B minus C already is there. This answer we can write directly. Then right side A plus B. Look, A plus B. We got this answer. That answer also we can write directly. No need to find out again. Now verification. First LHS equal to, what is LHS? A plus B minus C equal to matrix A. A means 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1. That is A plus B minus C. B minus C is this is second answer. Minus 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 1 3 1 2 0 equal to, we can add 1 plus minus 1 1 minus 1, that is 0. 2 plus minus 2, 2 minus 2, that also 0. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus minus 1, that is minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. This is our LHS answer. Now we have to find out RHS. This is A plus B, this is B minus C. B minus C, no need now. Now we can write RHS. RHS equal to, what is RHS? RHS in here, A plus B minus C equal to, first write A plus B. This is A plus B. 4, 1 minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 4. This is our A plus B. Minus C. C means 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2 equal to 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, that also 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 9 minus 0, 9, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 how much? 5, isn't it? Then 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 minus minus 2, minus minus plus, that means minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Now check it, LHS and RHS. Everything same, isn't it? 0, 0 minus 3, 9 minus 1, 5, 2, 1, 1. Then, in here we can write LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Okay, this is question number 5. Question number 5 is, if two matrices given A and B, then compute 3A minus 5B. That is our question. We can see solution 3A minus 5B equal to 3. First write this 3 into A. A means already given this matrix, isn't it? That matrix we can write, that is 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3, then 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, then 7 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 5B. 5 into B is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 divided by 5, 6 divided by 5, 2 divided by 5 equal to, first remove this, using by this 3, multiple all the elements. Okay, that means directly we can multiple 3 into 2 by 3, 3 into 2 by 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 1, then 3 into 5 by 3, 3 into 5 by 3. Okay, then again using by 3 multiple this second row also, 3 into 1 by 3, 3 into 1 by 3, again 3 into 2 by 3, 3 into 2 by 3, 3 into 4 by 3, 3, 4 by 3. Then 3 into this one, third row, 7 by 3, 3 into 2, 3 into 2 by 3. Using by 3, multiple all the elements. Then this minus, using by 5 also, multiple all the elements. Matrix 5 into 2 by 5, then 5 into 3 by 5, then 5 into 1, then 5 into 1 by 5, then 5 into 2 by 5, then 5 into 4 by 5, then 5 into 7 by 5, then 5 into 6 by 5, then 5 into 2 by 5. Already multiple, then we can cancel 3 and 3. We can also 3, 3, 3, 3, all 3. Got it? In this matrix, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, cancel. This one also. Okay. Everything cancel, we can cancel. Now, remaining numbers is right. Matrix. In here remaining 2, in here remaining 3 into 1, 3, in here 5, this one, 1, in here 2, in here 4, is 7, 6, 2, minus 2, then 3, 5, 1, 2, then 4 is 7, 6, and 2 equal to, subtract 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, that also 0, then 5 minus 5, 0, then 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, then 4 minus 4, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, then 6 minus 6, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. We got one 0 matrix. 0 matrix we can write representing by O. Then when you write O, letter O, that time you have to write order also. Is which order? 3 rows is the 3 columns. That means 3 by 3 order. 3 by 3 0 matrix. 0 matrix always we will represent by O. Then this is our answer. Nothing. Using by 3 multiple all the elements in this matrix. Then using by 5 multiple all the elements. Okay. Then just give inside 3 into 2 by 3, 3 into 1 like that. Then after this numerator and denominator same number means we can cancel 2 and 2 cancel like that. Just do it. Then you will get this 2 matrix. Subtract. You see these 2 matrices are equal. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Same, isn't it? 1, 2, 4. In here also second row 1, 2, 4. Isn't it? Then 7, 6, 2. 7, 6, 2. All the elements are equal means these 2 matrices are equal, isn't it? That means if you subtract equal matrix, you will get 1, 0 matrix. If you subtract equal number means what you will get? You will get 0 only, isn't it? It's same like that. If you subtract equal matrices, you will get answer 0, 0. This is our question number 6. Question number 6. Simplify cos into matrix cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into matrix sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Solution. That's right. Cos theta into what are things given? Same like you can write sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta equal to, using by cos theta just multiple all the elements in this matrix. Cos theta into cos theta. What is cos theta into cos theta? That is, we can write cos square theta. Cos into cos square, isn't it? Then cos theta into sin theta, that is cos theta sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta, cos theta sin theta. Then cos theta into minus sin theta. First write minus. Okay, this minus. Then cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta. Then cos theta into cos theta, we can write cos square theta. Using by cos theta, we multiple all the elements. Then second part, plus using by sin theta, multiple all the elements, sin into sin, sin square. sine square theta. Then sine theta into minus cos theta, that is minus cos, right? Sine theta into cos theta, sine theta cos theta. And then sine theta into cos theta, direct sine theta cos theta. Then sine theta into sine theta, sine into sine, sine square theta, equal to cos square theta plus sine square theta. Just start. Corresponding elements, cos square theta plus sine square theta. Cos square theta plus sine square theta. Then next, cos theta sine theta plus minus. That means minus. Okay. Cos theta sine theta minus cos theta sine theta. Both equal only. Those two elements are equal. We'll subtract, isn't it? Then that will be 0. Next, minus cos theta sine theta plus cos theta sine theta. That also equal. In here minus is there. That's why that will be 0. Next, cos square theta plus sine square theta. Cos square theta plus sine square theta. Equal to cos square theta plus sine square theta. What is that? In lower class 10 also you have studied. That is 1. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. Then this 0 we can write same. This one also same. Then same. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. This is our answer. In bracket, we can write that formula. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This formula you can write.